around the world that people were saying, oh yeah, definitely a Yeti, this one. And they've run them through DNA analysis and compared them with other things. And, well, shock horror, none of them were Yeti DNA.
Oh. Well, that doesn't mean the Yeti doesn't exist.
No, it doesn't, and that's the point that they make, and that's why when you said it's conclusive, that I said, well, that's not actually what they say, because they're being very nice to people who believe in Bigfoot, and saying that just because this isn't Bigfoot DNA, it doesn't mean he's not out there. But anyway, 10 of these samples turned out to be from bears. 4 were from dogs. There were also horses, cows, sheep, deer. 1 was from a person.
A person? Who saw something from a person and said, Yeti?
Well, actually, one of them was grass. Which they, and there was another one that was glass fibre. So
what was the basis on which they were testing these things?
Well, they discarded those ones immediately, and just with a quick sort of look at them, and then got these DNA samples from the other one. The most interesting thing actually was 2 of the samples, which were from one from the mountains of India and one from Bhutan. They didn't match any living species, but they did match a 40,000-year-old polar bear species, which is now extinct. So there's now an exhibition on to go and try and find that polar bear. But basically it suggests to me that a lot of people have mistaken bears for Bigfoot over the years.
Or that Yeti is just a descendant of the polar bear.
Yeah, it could be. So we'll see what this exhibition comes up with.
I look forward to seeing it. Joe, thank you.
Cheers,
Always
Willie.
good to talk. Our research filter, Joe Milton from the Australian Science Media Centre. News time now, 7 o'clock.
Okay, so Bigfoot is actually a Tibetan descendant of a polar bear. Not a dog and not fiberglass and not grass either. Warbles on a lot to YouTube. Ciao.